What's going on, guys? Your boy Marcus here again, back with you with another fantastic video, guys. So guys, in this video, guys, I have a banger one for you guys. So guys, recently we just got a 50k account, guys, a 50k account from a prop firm, guys, and we actually have two of it, but right now I'm currently trading one. So without further ado, guys, in this video I have goodies for you. I have good news, bad news, good news. So which are you guys going to receive first? But don't worry, I'll give you the good news first, then the bad news, then the good news. So without further ado, guys, let's get into the video. And I actually recorded all the trades I took throughout this week, and I'm going to see everything step by step on how I traded this account, guys. Without further ado, guys, let me bore you guys. Let's get into the video. The second banger for you guys. On this prop firm, guys, I got a 15% discount code and also a 10% discount code. I have 15% discount code. You can use it you can only use it once. Guys. So the 15% discount code will be Marcus15. I'll be popping it up here, and the 10% discount code, you can use it whenever you purchase, so you can use it multiple times. That will be Marcus10, guys. You see, I got you guys back. I got your back, guys. So guys, like and subscribe to this video, and let's get into the video for today. Peace. Yeah, so guys, let's get into my screen so I can show you everything that you need to know, guys. Without further ado, let's go. So guys, right here, as you can see, TradersWithEdge right there. TradersWithEdge, that's the name of the prop firm that I'm using, guys. And I know what will be in your mind right now is, why am I using TradersWithEdge? Guys, TradersWithEdge is not cheap and it's not expensive, you understand? So it's like in the middle right there. And the reason why I chose them is because they really have a lot of good stuff right there. So I got a 50k account from them, which I already started trading at the beginning of Monday. I got a 50k account from them. You can see that 50k is good for $350. And why I actually got them is because of this payout. The payout is in 2 weeks. So from your first payout to whatever payout you're getting is bi-weekly. You understand? So you don't have to wait for 21 days or whatever days, you understand? And they allow weekend holding, they allow news trading, and they allow EAs, leverage, not the normal stuff. I want to also, one thing I like and why I chose this is because of the max loss. You can see the max loss is 10%, and the daily loss is 5%. And their max loss is balance based, while their daily loss, it is equity based, but it's a different type. It's like equity balance based. You get? So what I mean by equity balance based is your profit at the end of the day. Let's say you make profit of let's say you have a 50k account and you make a profit of $1,000 that day, so that's 51k. So that means the next day your daily drawdown will be starting from 51k. Then you calculate your daily drawdown from 51k, like 5% negative of 51k instead of 50k. But for your max drawdown still stick to that 50k. You understand? So that's where every prop firm actually does it. You understand what I'm saying? So you can actually scale right here, and the account is scalable, and their profit split is 80%, which is very nice. And you can scale to 3 mil, guys. 3 mil. No prop firm is offering this. Their scaling plan is going up to 3 mil. So now they actually just have match trader and the X trader. Guys, I won't lie to you. Match trader is better than MT5. I won't lie to you. But I feel like the reason why a lot of people are using MT5 here is because MT5 is more popular. You understand? But when it comes to futures, things that match trader give you, no, match trader is actually better than MT5. But since MT5 is popular, so they have the standard account, they have the aggressive account. What the aggressive account does, it gives you more risk limits, like more daily loss and more max. You can see the daily loss is 10% and the max loss is 20% right there. But for me, I got a 20k account standard, and you can see they have a phase 1 account right there, ranging from 5k to 500k to 1 million actually, and they have the instant funding, which is just ranging from 250 to 2,500 to 40k. That's where it's ranging from. But one thing I don't like this their instant funding for is their profit split. The profit split is 50-50. You understand? The profit split is 50-50 right there. Profit is 50-50 right there. So without further ado, guys, let me take you to my dashboard of my 50k account. So as you can see, this is my dashboard, my 50k accounts right there. This is the dashboard, 50k right here, and I'm actually up. How much am I up right there? I am up. Okay, let me take you to them to the trade. You can see I'm up. This is my 50k. I'm up $714 right there, guys. So guys, the first good news is I got the 50k account. And the funny thing is I plan to get 2 of these. I plan to get the 100k, but because of last week to last month, my strategy, I've been battling with like making consistent profit, you understand? So that's why I splitted the money into 2. Okay, let's get 50k until I get to that verge of improving myself on a better like level, you understand? When I improve myself on that better level, I'll be able to like get access to that 50k. That's where I program my head, you understand? And that actually really helped me because I went to draw down of like 7%. So I went to draw down of like 7%. So that's what I do, guys. Let's go into the screen records first. Let's go into the screen records of my first trade to my last trade. Let's go. So guys, like I'm going to be showing you all the screen records right here. So I'm going to be popping up the screen record at this place, and I'm going to be viewing them on my laptop here because I already saved them to my laptop. So guys, right there, this is the first screen record right there. This is the intro. This is the entry on gold. That was 5 minute time frame, and gold really fucked me up this week. I didn't win one trade on gold, guys, and I was risking like $500 plus commission was like 550 something. Like it was ranging around that level. So this was when this is 2.4 lots on gold right there. 2.4 lots on gold right there. That was the entry for. That was where I was supposed to buy from. So let me show you the after. So guys, this is the after right here. This is the after. Price actually already hit my peak profit already. So the mistake I made is price already hit my peak profit. Then I was asleep, so I couldn't like close because I was asleep. I was supposed to delete the limit, but I left the limit there. So it came back and stopped me out aggressively. So let me show you my issue. So that's the issue right there, $590, guys. $590. That's a lot, guys. That's a lot. $590. So our balance is now 49,000 and 49,400. Our balance is now 49,400. Second trade that I took. Guys. So guys, this second trade that I took. I think that trade was when I was backtesting. That 5 minutes this sell setup was when I was backtesting. Then this buy setup was the one I was supposed to set right there. So let me just show you. So guys, this is the entry on March Trader right there. I think this is the entry on March Trader. This is for XAUSD. Then that's for GJ. And this is XAUSD, so I had another trade opportunity. No, this is XAUSD, sorry. This is XAUSD. Then I think I had another one for GJ too, right there. Yes, I had one for GJ right there. Yes, that one for GJ. I had another for GJ right there. So guys, let me show you the after. So guys, let me show you for my laptop. I want to show you the history on my distance. So as you can see right there, this is the history. This is the history right there. This is the first trade I showed you guys, the XAUSD buy. As you can see, it was a 590 negative. Then you can see they are even putting the time and everything, like the duration, the profit, the lot, the take profit, the stop loss, the type, the deal, the opening, guys, this is very, very detailed. So you don't even need to journal again. You understand? So you don't even need to journal your trade again. This is automatically journaling your trade for you. So guys, this is good, guys. This is a very, very nice. This is a very, very nice thing from them, guys. This is a very, very nice thing from them. So XAUSD right there, that's when I showed. Then I showed this GJ. I just showed the screen record of this GJ. It took 3 minutes to hit stop loss. Then I showed screen record of XAU. Okay, sorry about that. Let me go back to the dashboard. So I showed screen record of this XAU USD already. This hits me at $434. You can see the duration here, and they have a rule, guys. They have a rule of just 30 seconds. They are the best in the industry. FTMO, I think FTMO, how many minutes FTMO? I think FTMO is 5 minutes that you can stay on the trade before you can close it. I think it's 5 minutes, but theirs is just 30 seconds. Just 30 seconds. And 400 next now is 10 minutes, guys. 400 next is 10 minutes. So but theirs is 30 seconds. It's 30 seconds, which is actually very, very nice and very, very, very good. So without further ado, guys, continue on the screen record. Let me continue to show you the screen record right here on my phone. So guys, this is the XUSD trade right here. This is XUSD 5-minute trade. You can see the reason why the XUSD trade already tapped me on what they call it, on trading view, but it didn't tap me here because of a reason. I shifted my entry a little bit down, understand? So I shifted my entry a little bit down, so that's why it didn't tap me. You can see the entry right there, so it's not where it's supposed to be. So hey, this was where my entry was supposed to be initially, right there. That's where it's supposed to be initially, guys. So but I'm going to shift it under this level right there. I'm going to shift it under that level right there. And you can see this value. I cannot this value right here. I cannot increase $500, and it automatically sets my stop loss $500. That's why I'm saying this is better than MT5, guys. This is better than MT5, guys. So guys, I don't talk to stop loss for you guys. The beginning of this was very, very hard. The beginning of this was hard, and the reason why this happened was because my strategy, I didn't have a strategy that was feeding me well. Then, like at this point in the market, at all, I didn't have at all. I didn't have at all, guys. At all, I didn't have like a strategy that was feeding me. You can see the amount of spike that sort of took me out for. So that Friday, guys, I'm actually really, guys. This one didn't even waste time. This one just went straight to my stop loss before I started recording. So I want to show you something, guys. As you can see, for when your trade gets triggered, you see a notification. You get a notification. When your trade is stop loss, you get a notification. When your trade is TP, you also get a notification directly to your phone. You understand? Like it's like a normal SMS. Those are notifications. Just get it directly to your phone. So that's the reason why, and that's the reason why I actually like this broker. That's the reason why I like this prop firm. Sorry, I like them really, really well, guys. So guys, this is another trade right here. I think I'm actually going to skip to the last trade that actually brought us back. So you can see this was around 10:30, guys, about this 450. This for $50. You can see the for $50 right there. Let me go back for you guys. Let me go back. So as you can see, I was risking 430 something. Then I came back. Then I edited the amount I wanted to register at 450. So increase the stop loss automatically. So that's the reason why I like this much trader. After all those losses, guys, I had how many losses in a row? So let's count it together, guys. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 losses in a row. So I had 7 losses in a row, and this DJ loss, I said this second DJ loss, I lost the trade because my stop loss was tight. My stop loss was very tight. It was very, very tight. Let me see if I can find okay, I think I'll pop up the screen record after this clip. So my stop loss is very, very tight, but I re-entered. Why did I re-enter? I re-entered because, let me check if I can find the history close position right here in the last, let's see, in the last 7 days. Okay, so this one here, this trade, you can see this trade buy and GJ. If you check the price, this is 149,887. This is 149,8866. You can see it's around the same price. So I re-entered. Why did I re-enter? I re-entered because the support was too tight. So I knew that this trade would surely play out. That's why I re-entered again, because I knew my stop loss was tight. Then I now set my normal stop loss. Then that's when I gave me this $4,392 profit. And that brought me back 1.2% back in profit. So guys, let me just look for the screen record and show you guys the screen record. So let me play it for you guys right there. So guys, yeah, this is the trade. You can see I got stopped out right there, and I got wicked out from that position. But I knew okay, I knew this was good. This wasn't the end of this trade, because I was supposed to set my stop loss to cover the whole zone, but I already set it to cover the body because I was looking for a higher risk to the world. I was being greedy. You understand? So I lost like $533 there. So let me show you the position. Let me show you. You can see my equity was 46,321.81 cents right there. You can see, and I reached 2% in a day. So from here, I was already bridging out 2% risks, but I knew this trade would not pass me by. Like you can see the spread right there, 37. You can see how tight the spread is. I knew this trade will not pass me by, so that's why I had to re-enter again. And like set, and you can see this is the points we are re-entering. So 85 right there, pending order. Okay, I'm going to set pending order. I won't set pending order. I'm actually looking forward. Maybe I should enter manually. That's why I was slowing down there, because I was trying to look at if I should enter manually. But I just tell them just set pending order to that level, not this level. Not this level. Was it this level? It was not this level. So yeah, so this level. Just I was going to set my pending order to. Then I just put my pending order there. Then automatically I'm going to add my stop loss now. So I was putting my stop loss below this low. That was the low I was supposed to put my stop loss at before. Then my take profit was at that level. Very easy peasy trade. Easy peasy trade. So let me show you the pending. So let me show you how much I'm risking. So I was risking $383 here. So what I did was I deleted this order, then I set another order with a higher lot size, because I don't set another order with like 0.5 lot size, because that will be bridging the consistency rule. And their consistency rule, guys, about their consistency rule, is not like others. It's not like FTMO consistency rule. They have consistency rule for different instruments. So the consistency rule you have on Forex, if you follow the lot size consistency rule you have on Forex, and follow you are going to have a different one for metals, you're going to have a different one for gold, you're going to have a different one for commodities, you're going to have a different one for indices, and you're going to have a different one for what they call it, for what's one of these ones, for cryptos. You understand? Because they work with different I forgot the name, different leverages. They work with different leverages. So that's it, guys. So I'm going to show you the end result of that trade right now, guys. This is the update on the trade. You can see the trade actually also came back and was close to our stop loss again. So that's the update on the trade. I just want to so I'm going to be writing, that's TP1, right there. So that's the level I was supposed to set, because I increased my TP level because I knew price will still go higher, and from that level, okay, that's TP1, and that level is like a re-entry level. That's a 15 minutes re-entry level. That's supposed to be PY. But now, how much are we up? At this level, I was up probably 2,000 plus. Let me see. How much was that up here? Okay, I was up 2,000. I was up 2,900, 3K. 2,900, 3K up here. So here already, I already made back all the losses. So I had 7 losses in a row, and I already made back everything in one trade. So you can see the greatness of route to the world, guys. So guys, that's what I do. I'm going to be showing you the TP, because I was also fortunate to catch the TP live with you guys. Catch it on screen record. So let's go to that. And as you can see buy position close. Immediately I click on screen record, because I wanted to set, because it was NFP. Yeah, it was NFP. I wanted to set my break even. I wanted to set my break even like this. Boom. The trader hit TP at $4,392. So you can see it right there. Let me show you. Boom. TP right there. So now that we found our entry, like we found what works for us now in GJ. So now we're just going to stick to this throughout the whole month, and throughout whenever the strategy fades out. It's not as if the strategy is fading out. It's just like the strategy I use here. Like this month is going to work on 15 minutes time frame. This month is going to work on 30 minutes. But this month is going to work on 4 hours. You understand? So that's what it is. So it's very hard for me to get. By the time I start taking too many losses, I'll know, okay, like this is about to switch. Then I'll try to find and backtest what time frame is actually working on. You understand? Then by the time I get it, then boom, start to make money. So up $700 right there. So guys, don't forget, guys, and also have goodies for you. Remember, I have my 15% discount code for your first buy, for your first purchase. 15% discount code is right here. I think that's Marcos 15. Just use Marcos 15. that's 15% discount code on your first, on any trade, on any account you're buying, but it's just one use. I also have a 10% discount code for you guys. 10% discount code, that's Marcos 10. I'm going to be popping everything here on the screen. There's a 10% discount code for you guys, but that's for, you can use that regularly. So as you're buying accounts, you can also always get 10% off using my promo code, guys. You can see I have a banker thing for you guys. I get updates for you now. What do you use me, please? I like Punawela. So without further ado, guys, let's get into my screen. So guys, according to what we have here, I just want to show you, this is the last overview of my account. So you can see the account here. I only have one account now, but by the time I pass this one, I'm going to get another 50k. No, by the time I'm going to try to withdraw from this one first. Then when I withdraw from this one, I'm going to get another 50k, so that's making 100k. So I'm going to be trading the two of them together. As you can see right here, you can see started since 4 days. So I've only completed 4 trading days, and I've taken 8 trades, and I've won only 1, and I've lost 7 trades out of them, and I'm still in profit, guys. So you can see the power of risk to reward. Whether you have a low risk reward strategy or a high risk reward strategy, as long as you make money, stick with it, guys. Stick with it, guys. Just stick with it. I'm not going to preach high risk reward or low risk reward to you guys. Just stick to it, guys. So you can see this actually gave me 4,392.93 cents right there. And let me just pop this down. Okay, daily loss. So my daily loss now, you can see your daily loss here. You can see the limit here. So you must not go below this limit by the time you're trading in a day. Understand? So everything is really straightforward there. Everything's really helpful here, guys. And hopefully next week we are able to pass the trade, guys. Hopefully next week we are able to pass this phase 1 with 10%, then phase 2 with 5%. And we get funded and we withdraw. Everything goes well by the grace of God, guys. So guys, don't forget, link in the description below. Join them now, guys. You update plenty. Join them now, guys. And I think they're also running a buy one get one free. They were running that one, but that is not over. I think that one is not over, but I'm not really sure about it. I think that's for new buyers, because when I also sign up to them, I also saw that buy one get one free. So guys, link is shown down below. My coupon code is 15% off for which has only one use, and the 10% off which you can always use every time will be right there, guys. So without further ado, guys, like and subscribe to your boy. I'll see you guys in part 2 of this challenge. Let's go.